Okay guys, so this is the game projector 2.4G wireless m300max 2-in-1 professional clip. You can see it gets these two joysticks to like change the channel and stuff while you're projecting your movies and stuff. There's 3D games built in and it's powered by a projector. Yeah, it's projector plus games. And yeah, this projector is like a TV box. You can see you get your YouTube, Netflix, Google Play, and all that stuff. So this projector will project onto your wall. Okay, let's check this. All packaging materials. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, original 3D rocker, special game rocker for arcades. Okay. Nothing that special, but you can see here it says it's 4K Ultra HD, which I don't believe it because for the price of this Chinese product, there's no way this is 4K, but it will be like 1080p. So let's unbox this. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, so you can see you get your two like PS4, almost like PS4 joysticks over here, which you can change channel, kind of cool. And then yeah, you get your, this is the projector, what it looks like. Look at the size, just check that out. And I think this is the bracket and the batteries and whatever, and the cables to power this up. Okay, this is the product.